Hello, this is Ashi from Crafting with Ashi and welcome to this video. This is a little project we're making today. It's a little gift and it's just some chocolates I've wrapped up, and then I've made this little sentiment and wrapped it up prettily. So it's just something sweet for Christmas, and I just wanted to show you how I did it. So let's get started. Okay, for the bag I'm using these. These are our cellophane bags and these are 6x8. And they come here in a package of 50, so that's really good. And I'm just going to need one, so these are going to last forever, and these are in the main catalogue if you're wondering. Okay, so let's put that aside. And then these are little chocolates I got from supermarket, and they came in a pack of 5 and I've used 3, so this one, in this little gift, there's only going to be 2 because I haven't had a chance to go and get any more. And then we're going to wrap them up in some cardstock, in some pretty paper. And this is the night before Christmas paper. Okay, and I can't remember what this paper measures. Let me see what it measures. It's 11 centimeters by the full 6 inches width, the full width of the, because these are 6x6 pattern paper, so you've cut them down to 11 centimeters by the full width of the paper. And to wrap up, all I'm going to do, as you can see, all I've done to make these wrappings is I measured the length of my chocolate, and then all I'm going to do is literally just wrap. And I'm not going to score because I want the rounded edge like that. And then all I'm going to do here is put some snail. So get some snail, and then I'm just going to wrap it around, making sure these edges at the end match. So that's one. Okay, and then the other one, you could use either side. I like the stockings, but you can use obviously whichever side takes your fancy. Okay, and put my snail down before I wrap it, and then just bring them together like that. And those are my 2 wrapped chocolates. So what I'm going to do is take my bag here, and I'm going to put these ones should lie flat in the bag because there's space. And then all I'm going to do is fold the bag over. Now, what I didn't do on my last one is what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to run a little bit of snail on the inside of the bag here just to close up the bag. And then where I'm going to make sure I've got it the right way, yeah. That's the back of the chocolates. Such a good seam, I can't even see the back of my chocolates. All I'm going to do is put some snail as I just did there, and then wrap it over like that. So then we have our 2 chocolates sitting in our little bag. Okay, and then all I've done here is I've taken some of this gorgeous ribbon, and this is the Very Vanilla, and it's, what's it called, classic weave ribbon, and it has this, has Merry Christmas on it, as you can see, which I love. And then all I'm going to do is attempt to tie a bow. So I can fiddle with it afterward, but you get the idea. And the ribbon is so pretty that I think it doesn't even make a difference. So let's set that aside there. Let's get back to something I'm safer with, some stamping. This is the stamp set we're going to use. It's called Lots of Cheer. Okay, so we're going to stamp in Versamark because we want to heat emboss. So I've got a piece of Whisper White cardstock here. I've got my Versamark, but first I remember I'm going to use my powder tool. So the Versamark ink will only, the powder will only stick where I've got the ink. Okay, and I'm just going to, we're going to cut this out so it doesn't have to be straight or anything, just down, press, hold, up. Lovely, I can see that. Okay, so put that aside and then bring our gold embossing powder, which is what I'm using here. Put that over the top. Now you can see here I've got a few bits, maybe you can see here at the top, which are where there I don't want them to be, so I'm just going to use a paintbrush just to remove those pieces, and that's fine. So okay, so that's our sentiment heat emboss. Now we're just going to punch it out using the Timeless Label punch. I'm just going to get that sort of centered within the punch. There we go. And then we're going to be using, oh, I can't remember what this one's called, but I will look it up and will be on the supply list, but it's another one of our label punches, and I'm going to punch it out from some, where am I going to go? Some of this gold foil sheet. There we go. Okay. And now I'm just going to stick it on top with some snail. Okay, so we stuck the two pieces together, so now we're going to bring back a little present, and I'm just going to stick it on the one side using some glue dots. You could add it with some baker's twine as well and tie it around the ribbon if you want, but I was being lazy and I'm just going to stick it with some glue dots like that, and there you go. So that's what we just made. That's the one we made before with 3 of them. So there you are. So thank you again for watching. If you want any information on this video, it'll be on the blog post on my website, and the links to my website and all my social media links will be in the description box below. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!